Hey everyone, welcome back to another adventure here in the beautiful mountains of Kazakhstan. Today I had the pleasure of guiding an amazing group of tourists from Poland and Australia.
Dostlar, yol bastaldı. So we are going to Furmanov Peak and sky.
We started our hike with great energy and beautiful views all around us. The mountains looked incredible and everyone was so excited to reach the peaks. But as often happens in the mountains, the weather changed very quickly. Dark clouds rolled in and soon we found ourselves hiking in the rain. One of the highlights of today's trip was seeing horses freely grazing in the mountains. They looked so peaceful against the green hills, adding even more beauty to the landscape.
So guys, we are in the Furmanov Peak with Janek from Poland.
Even so, it started raining, nobody lost their enthusiasm. In fact, the rain made the whole experience feel even more adventurous. The fresh mountain air, the smell of wet grass, and the sound of raindrops created a completely different atmosphere that made the hike unforgettable.
Refreshing.
Moments like this remind you how wild and untouched nature can be. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. See you in the next mountain adventure.